guys, this is the FlickadyFish, and in this tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how to make an awesome outro. Yes, this is the outro we'll be teaching you how to make, and I got a comment from Hercules asking me how to make this. So your first step is to download the link in the description, save the image as, and then you should have it in your Finder. And then you have to type in Pixlr. That's the website we'll be using to make the outro today. So yes, make sure you type in Pixlr. The first website is the one you should choose, and create a new thing and type in 1920 by 1080. Transparent. And then after you load it, open the image. The end template image, and then it should load in, and you can easily drag the layers through, and it should say paste layer. After you do that, you can use the wand tool and get rid of all the black section of the end screen template. And then you can use the wand tool to select part of it and use a gradient color to change the image. Change the border of that. Then you can do the same to the other side. Okay, so now that that's done, you'll need to have a background. You can go to Google in a new tab and search up. I'll be using cool abstract backgrounds for this, but yeah, you can use whatever you want as long as it's 1920 or larger. So it's the best quality for your video. I mean, for your outro. Why am I saying video? And this one looks a bit suspicious. I don't think it'll work out. I think it'll say unavailable or something. So yeah, yep, I knew it. I knew it looked suspicious. I'll try again though, because that one's so pretty. Oh no, it's not working. So we'll have to do, we can save it and open it, but I can't find the file that I just saved. So, yeah. I'll just be using the one I used for my actual outro, so you can make one similar to mine. So we can move the layer down so you can see the borders, and it looks quite good. I'll be moving the borders down because you'll have some words above that. Yeah. Like that, or you can use it more neatly like me by using the down key on your computer. So yeah, it's slowly moving down. This is going to take forever. I recommend doing a bit further down than the halfway point, around here, a bit more up. And yeah, that looks great right there. And then type in your name right at the top. Mine will be FlickadyFish, so I'll use that as an example. You can do whatever your name you want. Massive potatoes, cool kids, awesome stuff, whatever your name is, just type it up there. And yeah, I'm going to use the font Gravedigger because that's my favorite. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. And then make sure your font is huge, and make sure your words stick out of the background. So mine would be reddish whitish. I'll be using white. Yeah, that looks not that bad. And then we can neaten it up by placing it in the center right there. And then right click and click layer styles. Outer glow is the best one for me. Change the hardest to max and change the size and choose a color that's similar to the opposite. I'll just be using blue because blue is cool. And yeah, that's what it should look like. It looks quite neat. And then you just need to click the text box to make the previous. Type in previous, and since that's too big, make the size a bit smaller. I'll change the font as well because I don't like having the same font, so I'll change it to Zork. Yeah, there it is. And now we can size it so it's perfect. I'll be using green. Yeah, that stands out of the dark color. And then move it down there to make it perfect. And then make the layer styles again, outer glow, hardness max, and the color will be, I think it should be red, maybe blue. Blue, no, yeah, red. Red's fine, so that sticks out. Then you can duplicate that so you don't have to do all the steps again for random. Duplicate the layer and drag it to the side, and then using the text tool, change it to random, because that'll be the random video YouTube chooses for you. And after you do that, you're almost done. You'll have to neaten a few things up, and then you can use the subscribe button. Just find the image of subscribe. Most of them don't work, but there will be a few that do work for the URL. That one looks good. No, it looks like that one's okay. Nope, it's not transparent. That one looks okay. We're gonna copy it and we're going to paste it. No, it doesn't work, so we'll have to choose another one. That one looks a bit better, so oops, I clicked on it. Okay, so that one looks a bit better. Copy the image address and then paste it. And yes, it works, but I don't think that's going to fit, so you'll have to change the image size to whatever you want. I recommend 900 to 1000. I'll be using 900, and then you can drag it on and move it down, and then you are almost done. This looks quite neat right here. All you'll need to add is a cursor, so they can look like they want to click on it, whatever you want. I like the little pixely finger one, so that one should work. I hope it does work. No, I hate those Pixlr boy, whatever it is. Okay, I'll just use that one. I think this one works a bit better. And then we can get rid of that and copy the image URL, and there we go. I think that will be a bit too big. Yeah, that doesn't fit on the screen well. So I can just get rid of that. And then you can just drag that down and get the cursor. Change the image size to, I'd say, around 100. So yeah, we can drag that back on, and then we can move it to be on the subscribe button. That looks good. Yes, this is what your final thing is. You can make final touch-ups. Just click save, and then I recommend PNG because it's the best quality. So yeah, and there it goes, the biggest size, a lot of kilobytes right there. And then you can quickly save it into your Finder. Yes, that's where it goes. And yeah, now you're technically done. I hope you enjoyed, guys. This was the tutorial on how to make a cool outro. If you enjoyed and you used it for your channel, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and check out my other content, which is mostly Brawl Stars. This was the FlickadyFish teaching you how to make an awesome outro today. And I'm signing out.